Commerce had covered a long journey before reaching its climax. Good morning everyone, I Vansh along with my teammate Mehakpal Singh are here to present our model Commerce City. Before the introduction of our model, I want you to tell the meaning of commerce. Commerce refers to sum total of those activities which are engaged in the removal of hindrances like person, place, time, risk and etc. in the exchange of commodities. Under commerce, two factors are included to do sale purchase and to different activities in order to remove the hurdle which come appear in the sale purchase. Sale purchase is also known as trade. In regular days, the many of people goes to the market for the exchange of the goods and the services. But now in the modern era, people don't go to the market. They can easily sit their home and can order the goods from the sites like Amazon, Flipkart and etc. In the model, we have shown by this the e-commerce. A person can go to the e-browse to discover the sites like Amazon and Flipkart. After selecting the good, he can put to it add to cart, and after to add to cart, he can place an order. After some time, the goods can be delivered to him and he make the transactions payment like by the cash or by the online transactions. The hurdles which come appear in the way of the trade will be explained by my teammate.
So first hindrance that comes in the way of trade is risk. Whatever be the business large or small, the time of storage and transporting the goods from one place to another, element of risk is always there. For example, damage of goods and other natural disasters. This problem is solved by insurance. Insurance companies offers many facilities to the company.
The second hindrance that come in the way of the trade is place. Consumer and the producers are very far away from each other. So there is the problem of the transport of the goods from the one place to the another place. But this problem is solved by the transportation. In the local areas, the transport can be done by the railways and by the roadways. And if we have to transport goods from the one country to another country, it can be done by the airways. The third hindrance that come in the way of the trade is information. In order to attract the customer toward his product, a producer has to provide all the information of his product to the producer. This problem only can be solved by the advertisement. Advertisement is the best method to give the information of his product to the producer. Now from this, the consumer can make the decision to buy that good from the producer. In the conclusion, I want to say that we have gathered all the information related to trade and auxiliaries to trade. I hope we have explained all the things very clear to you. Thank you.